Hello and welcome to Learn Photoshop in 1 hour. I am your teacher, Jason Buff. What you're looking at here is a screenshot from a lecture I just did in response to some questions my students had, and they wanted me to show them how to create a banner ad and how to do some of these effects and everything. So just completely outside of the class, I put together this video to demonstrate how I would do like an Estee Lauder type ad. But let me tell you for just a second what Learn Photoshop in 1 hour is. I've been working in Photoshop for about 15 plus years, and one of the things that I've been seeing with a lot of the classes on Photoshop is that they try to teach you everything. And Photoshop isn't a program where you need to know absolutely everything. I mean, I know world famous designers who don't even know all the program, the different parts of Photoshop. It's a great program, and it's kind of like a Swiss Army knife. They keep adding on new features, but they very rarely get rid of any features. So it's full of kind of this wasteland of features that nobody uses anymore. So what I focus on is exactly what you need to learn to start making really amazing looking ads like this, or websites, or whatever you want to create in Photoshop. I spend some time working with photo manipulation. But the main thing, the core of the class, is just the hour. The first hour we spend learning Photoshop and the core principles of how Photoshop works. And then as a bonus, actually you'll notice that the class is over 6 hours now because I keep adding more and more stuff to it. And once you learn those core things, you can start adding that to, you can start creating, and we start using the things that we learn in the class to start creating some ads. And every couple of weeks I get requests from people to teach them how to do something, or they have a question about Photoshop and how to upload a video. So the class gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Anyway, so once you are in the class, you're in there for life. Even if I add 100 more videos, or if I add a bunch of new content or change things around, it's a class that you own for the rest of your life. And I'm pretty sure you can find a coupon for it. So don't worry about paying $2.99 for it. Go out and find a coupon for 19 bucks. You can find those on YouTube. So that's just a quick tip. Anyway, so after we go through the regular class, I start showing you how to do stuff like this. I've got some poster design. I show you how to make your pictures look better, so you can take off acne, take off weight from your pictures, take Facebook pictures and make them look better. And I also talk about how to get clients. If you're looking to start a web design business, I go through some of the typical ways that I find work in web design and work in graphic design. And I'm always going to be adding to that too as I come up with new techniques for finding clients. Anyway, I hope you'll join us in the class, and I look forward to meeting everybody. Thanks a lot.